monitors can be installed, many don't know how to choose the right one, risking wasted money and greater losses when crucial evidence is missed. Today I'm sharing tips on choosing car monitors correctly. Firstly, understand the purpose of installing a car monitor. Installing a car display screen and 3 to 4 car cameras helps solve blind spot issues and prevent accidents at work. Most car screens now record, ensuring evidence of problems. You can also use the monitor to view blind spots around the vehicle, improving safety. If the car is not driven by you, but by someone else or rented out, and you require oversight, it's recommended to choose a 4G device with remote video management. Insert a 4G data card into each recorder with GPS and beta positioning. You can check the car's location and activities in real time on your phone, making it very convenient. For companies with high scale and construction safety demands, flexible budget, choosing car monitors with BSD intelligent recognition is recommended. It not only has all the mentioned capabilities but also offers intelligent pedestrian recognition reminders, especially for driving large construction machinery near pedestrians. Intrusion is highly risky and leads to driver fatigue, with reminders and alerts for unsafe behaviors like phone usage, which is also perilous. Choose based on your actual needs to avoid wasting money on the wrong purchase and feeling disappointed. Follow me, I'll show you more great